Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to measure distance between two places on Google Maps. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to measure distance between two places on Google Maps, first open up the Google Maps app on your mobile device. Then find the first place on the map that you want to use as a point. So I'm going to use right here. Now tap and hold on that point on the map. A red pin should appear. Next, on the pop-up at the bottom, just pull it up and then tap on Measure Distance. Now drag the map on your screen so the next point you want to measure distance to is lined up with the black dot marker. Then tap the plus sign to add a point. You'll then see the distance between those 2 points at the bottom. You can go on to add multiple points if you like, and the cumulative distance between all of your points will be summed up and displayed at the bottom. This method will measure the distance in a straight line directly between the points you select, not taking into account an actual route to travel there. If you want to see the travel distance between 2 points using the actual route you would take, you can look up directions between the two places instead. And that's what it takes to measure distance between two places with Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.